New tonight, we've learned a Fort Smith neurosurgeon has been arrested accused of aggravated assault with a firearm.
4029's Brett Rains is in Fort Smith tonight with the latest on why the doctor was taken to jail.
Dr. Timothy Marionov has not yet responded to our calls or text messages. This afternoon, he was released from the Sebastian County Detention Center after pleading not guilty to 2 felony assault charges during a preliminary court hearing.
Do you have pain? Do you have dysfunction? Is there something in your life that prevents you from being a happy cat? Huh? If so, we can help you.
That's Dr. Timothy Marionov. According to his independent practice website, Marionov is a neurosurgeon who specializes in pain management. But Monday night, he was arrested. According to the police report, 2 people inside the home told Fort Smith police officers that after a physical and verbal altercation, Marionov pointed a gun at himself and then at them. According to the report, one person told police that Marionov was on new medication and that he woke up angry. One officer reported that Marionov smelled of alcohol. Police retrieved a loaded 9mm handgun from inside the home. Marionov is facing 2 felony charges of aggravated assault on a family or household member involving a firearm. He was issued a $5,000 bond. Marionov is set to be back in court in January. Online records show that as of now, his medical license is still active. And today we reached out to the State Medical Board and the Department of Health to see if they're aware about the recent arrest. Of course, we'll let you know what we find out. In Fort Smith, Brett Rains, 4029 News.